Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to close a position in Moomoo. Closing a position is an important step to lock in profits or limit losses in your trading account. First, open the Moomoo app or desktop platform and log into your account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard where your portfolio is displayed. Next, locate the position you want to close. You can find it under your portfolio list, which shows all your current holdings. Once you've selected the position, click or tap on it to view the detailed trade options. Here, you'll see the option to sell or close the position. Choose the Sell or Close option, and a confirmation window will appear. Review the details carefully, including the number of shares or contracts and the price. Finally, confirm the action. Your position will be closed and the proceeds will be added to your account balance. Make sure to double-check that the position has been removed from your portfolio to ensure the trade was executed correctly. And that's it. Closing a position in Moomoo is simple once you know where to look. Always review your trades carefully and manage your positions according to your strategy.